Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to reset printer spooler to fix any error or pending job or prints. So let's move on screen. First type you need to type a command window R, then type here services dot msc, hit enter. Then you have to select printer spooler. Type only, select any services and type PRI and printer. So that printer spooler. Okay. Here right click, then currently printer spooler is running. Okay, so we have to restart or stop, then start. Okay, so first stop this, then start. Okay, this will help you if you stuck any paper prints in your printer. This is going to help you fix any error. Okay, so if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel because I am new here. Okay, so please support me. Thank you.